Hey Jack, do you have a lot of trucks today?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with them?
Play.
We're going to play and we're going to dig. Let's do it.
So this is the digging spot. And this. Let's drive a dump truck.
Look at these guys here.
Jump. Jump. Now let's call this. Dumping down into here.
Good dump.
Look.
What's Molly doing?
He's making space for us to dig.
Is that fresh dirt, Jack?
Yes. It looks fresh, and then we can dump it in dump trucks.
You're using that old Fisher-Price excavator. That thing's over 40 years old.
Yeah, 40 years old. That's how I
Still rough and tough.
still like dig. Still more.
Oh, look at all this dirt that Jack's gotten into the dump truck already. Molly's checking it out.
Each part under.
What are you guys getting?
Dirt.
Molly's eating it. Disgusting. Molly, that's dirt. She's so hungry all the time. She's on a diet. What's she doing, Jack?
Eating this.
Gross.
Dumping is super big dirt, thick dirt, thick there.
This is some good dirt here. Jack, can you show the kids how to use the levers? Look at the levers on this. Oh, he likes to use his hands. Get a little bit better scoop that way.
So you this up, then it can dump later, but it's now it's full. Going to the dump where we are putting out the dirt. Dirt. I'm compacting the dirt. The bulldozer.
What you doing now, Jack?
Pulling the dirt.
Bowling the dirt, all right. I think it's called dozing the dirt.
So it does. So this doesn't get stuck in the deepest earth. Bulldozer can push it into a pile. That's Bulldozer. Inflate it like that. No, like this.
Oh.
No, you just plow the sides in here, so Bulldozer. Smooth enough for the duck. And then a lot of gets on the dirt, then it can move and it drop. Now it's full. It's full. Stop the wobbling like this.
Are you making a road?
Yeah.
You're pouring the fresh asphalt?
Yeah. Fresh asphalt. Then fresh asphalt is going to be done.
Slow, nice and slow.
This can Don't get hurt. Can Roy please go instruction sites?
Yeah, they're in the dirt.
I found a bug.
Cool.
And it ran away. For the dump. I can play with this. I got this to load it. That's okay. Now we found. It came out with the yard, and got this. Then what happens? See what's gonna happen? Ta-da! See what's gonna happen?
What's gonna happen? Dump.
Blah.
Molly, what are you doing? What are you doing? Not impressed.
Go, Molly, go away. Go away. I'm not coming. Molly, front.
She can't go that way. She's stuck on her leash.
Let's let him go.
She's supervising us.
Bye, kids. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye.
Bye, Molly. Bye, Molly. I'm Molly, I'm Molly, I'm Molly. I just eat dirt.